一瞬間があったぞ。さあそれではトップバッターサンズ11 and 12ハシュー。
沈んでもお月様は出てくる。これは贅沢パラダイス。全然戦には向いてないけど一日一戦で全枚巻き上がる。これは贅沢パラダイス。からくりだらけのこの世だけど君を思う気持ちはいつまでもどこまでも流れ星キラキラ願い事でキラキラ。これは贅沢パラダイス。
Yo, the style when the kids checking for it. The number one question is how could you ignore it and drop right back in the cut over basement tracks, craps that got you backing this up like rewind that. We're just rolling with the rhythm, rise from the ashes of stylistic division. With these non-stop lyrics of life living and get dirty with the people spreading the dirt. It goes like this: if you want it, but everyone ignores it. Told you everything loud and clear. Nobody's listening. I got a heart full of pain and full of stress. Nobody's listening. Head full of anger held in my chest. Nobody's listening. Coming at you. Coming at you. Coming at you from every side.
帰っちゃうの？帰んないでよ。